Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that pipe network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, pipe network is a decentralized infrastructure protocol built on Solana that reimagines content delivery, storage and computation through a globally distributed network of community operated nodes. Pipe networks rethinks cloud infrastructure by decentralizing resources delivery, prioritizing speed, cost efficiency, and community participation. Its integration with Solana's ecosystem and token-driven economics create a unique value proposition. However, can sustainably scale node participation and maintain performance as demand grows. Pipe network project institution rating is 3. Pipe network token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is 100 million. Pipe token. Pipe token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, KuCoin, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.